Corn harvest begins here. Millions of corn plants grow here.
Morning light reveals the growing crop. Each cob grows slowly under the sun. The farmer inspects the growing harvest. Harvest begins with careful inspection. Modern machines harvest the crop efficiently. The harvest begins its journey.
The corn heads to the processing plant.
From field to factory.
The corn arrives at the processing plant.
The delivery enters the facility. The truck prepares to unload. The husk is removed from each cob. Remaining husks are removed. The cobs tumble to remove fibers. Automation helps guide the process.
Each cob is checked for quality.
Machines monitor the flow. Final checks ensure quality.
Sensors scan every cob.
The corn is thoroughly washed.
Defective cobs are automatically removed.
The cobs pass through a washing tunnel.
Water removes the final residue. Overhead sprays rinse the corn. Each cob is rinsed thoroughly.
The washed corn enters the water basin.
A gentle mist completes the rinse. A final mist ensures cleanliness. Technicians monitor every stage.
The cobs enter the processing machine.
The corn moves along parallel lines.
The cobs approach the stripping machine. Kernels are stripped from the cob.
A spiral cutter begins separating kernels. Samples are checked for quality.
The leftover cobs are shredded. Remaining kernels are carefully removed. Kernels flow to the next stage.
The kernels move along the line.
Technicians monitor the kernels.
A vibrating screen filters the kernels.
The kernels are evenly spread.
A screw auger moves the kernels. The kernels are crushed into mash. The mash flows into mixing vats. Paddle mixers blend the mash.
The mash is mixed thoroughly.
A vortex forms during mixing. The mash is heated and blended. Processed corn liquid enters the vat.
The mash flows to the next stage.
Large blades continue mixing the mash. The liquid is filtered. The refined liquid fills large vats. The liquid flows through pipelines. Multiple outlets distribute the liquid.
The liquid continues through the line.
The liquid is pumped onward.
The liquid enters the intake funnel.
Samples are taken for testing.
The liquid's quality is verified.
Pipelines carry the liquid across the plant. Empty bottles arrive for filling. Machines dispense the final product. The bottles are filled one by one. They stay. The final filling is completed. Final inspection checks every bottle. Hundreds of bottles move through the line.
The finished bottles move forward. Bottles move toward packaging. Completed pallets are moved automatically.
Pallets move toward warehouse storage.
A complex system moves the pallets.
Pallets move toward the loading docks.
Forklifts transport the finished pallets.
Pallets are placed into storage. Pallets move toward final loading. Pallets are loaded onto trucks.
The shipment leaves the factory.
The products head to market.
Finished bottles move through final handling. the product reaches store shelves. Corn milk is ready for customers.
A customer chooses the product.
From field to home.
A natural drink, ready to enjoy. Fresh corn milk, ready to drink.